ThermiVa is a new non-surgical option for feminine restoration. So many people or women obviously, who are post-childbearing experience unpleasant symptoms such as urinary incontinence, sort of leaking a little when they sneeze or laugh. They can experience vaginal dryness, and they can also experience painful intercourse. These are not things that they want to experience. And luckily, we now have a new procedure available that is completely painless using radio frequency called ThermiVa. ThermiVa comes from the Thermi that we in this office have been using for several years. And the makers of this machine realized that this technology could also be applied to this undertreated area. Many people, many women have this problem, and there to date have not been a lot of procedures that have been able to be utilized to treat it. Without any injury to the tissues, the ThermiVa wand treats the external genitalia as well as the vaginal canal safely and comfortably. The radio frequency heat that is generated tightens the tissues, and in fact, in something that we were surprised to find out, leads to a significant increase in vaginal lubrication. This is not something we expected when this was being tested out, but it's one of the reasons that it has been such a successful technique for many people. Additionally, childbirth and other factors have led people externally to have issues with loose, saggy tissues that they felt were not very aesthetically pleasing. They might not necessarily have sought treatment for it, but now that we have such an easy way of tightening the tissues, frankly, right before your eyes, many women are seeking this procedure. Basically, anybody who feels that they suffer from these feminine problems, looseness of the external or internal tissue, leaky bladder, or decreased sexual function, is potentially able to be helped by ThermiVa. The treatment consists of a series of 3 treatments at monthly intervals that will restore maximal functioning, and then yearly 1 single touch-up treatment is advised. The wonderful thing about ThermiVa is that there is no downtime whatsoever. Since there is no actual injury to any of the tissues, there is no downtime. Patients can resume all activities, including sexual intercourse, that very day.